because it's okay. Wait, this okay. Hi guys, welcome back to my channel. For those who are new here, I'm Jayashree Sharma. I hope you all are doing good, and it's been quite long that I have not uploaded any videos on YouTube. I was a little busy, I would say, yeah, and that's that. Okay, we will be doing a Myntra haul today on this video, and you might have also known by the title of the video that we're going to do a Myntra haul. I have divided my this particular haul into 4 parts, I would say. Yeah, the first one would be the top, and the second one would be the dress, and the third one would be a pant, and the fourth one, or the last one, is a flat that I got. Okay, I'll be concluding by that. Okay, let's start. Let's see, these are the things that I got. Okay, and one more box. I just got a pair of flats. Okay, first item on the haul is this very cute crop top. Okay, I got this from the brand Fab LA. Yeah, and this is in the size S. And talking about the pattern of this top, I like to say that they have given this kind of semi elastic pattern, yeah, on the shoulder part, yeah, here on both the sides, yeah, and in the front they have also given this kind of elastic. Yeah, can you see elastic pattern here, so that when you wear it, it gives you a sweetheart neck pattern like the one what I'm wearing right now, the sweetheart pattern. Okay. And the most important part of this top is the material is really soft, and as it is cotton, you know, it's obvious. Yeah, and secondly, it hugs your body perfectly. You know, it gives you a good look. Okay guys, I believe that when we buy a top or something, you know, it really has to hug your body and give you a good look. Yeah, so it does that. So I really like it, and give it a price on the screen. The second item on the haul is this, again a very cute crop top. Okay, I would say this is a button down crop top. Okay, can you see this? Yeah, in the middle of the top they have given buttons. Yeah, and again, as you can see, this is a sleeveless crop top. This is from the brand Sassafras, and I'm in the size medium. Okay, and the pattern of this top is, I would say, a ripped one, because I don't know, you can see it or not through camera. I don't know, it's not a plain top. Okay, it's in the pattern of rip or something. I don't know what's that called exactly, but yeah, that's that. The material is very, very good. Okay, as you can see, it's a cotton. Okay, right? And the original price of this top is 899, but I'm not sure at what price I got this. I'll just give you the, you know, price on the screen. Yeah. Yeah, the third item on the haul is this very beautiful black and brown floral printed crop top. Okay, this is from the brand Anthea. Okay, I don't know I'm pronouncing it right or wrong, but it's written Anthea. Yeah, and the size is in medium. Okay, talking about the pattern of this particular top, okay, as you can see, they have given a elastic pattern. Okay, on the, you know, both sides of the soldier, right? And at the end of this sleeves, okay, again they have given this kind of pattern. Okay, elastic pattern. I would say this has a balloon sleeves. Yeah, it has a balloon sleeves, and it's a long sleeves. Yeah, can you see it? Okay, and coming to the back of the top, given this elastic pattern. Yeah, can you see it? Yeah, because it's hugs our body, and it gives a good look when we wear it. Yeah, so that's that. And talking about the neck pattern, okay, it's a, you know, sweetheart neck. Okay, sweetheart neck pattern, and the material is in polyester. Okay, though it's polyester, it's quite soft. Yeah, I'll also give you the picture that I wore it. Okay, this particular top. Yeah, that's that. And I'll give you the price on the screen. Okay, third item on the haul is this tank top. Okay, yeah, can you see this? This back. Okay, can you see it? This is a tank top that I got. This is in the size M. Okay, and this is from the brand Tokyo Talkies. As you can see, the color is in the light pink color, and the color is very subtle and very calm, and it really suits, you know, in a very hot weather, I would say. And nothing much to say about this, because as you can see, it's very simple, and, you know, nothing much to say. It is cotton, and it's somehow stretchable. Okay, that's that. And I'll also give you the price here on the screen. Yeah, Okay, next, the fifth item is again this tank top, okay, like the other one, okay, also from the brand Tokyo Talkies. Yeah, again I'm in the size M, and as you can see, it's in the color yellow or a lime green or something. Yeah, I'm not sure. And the material is in cotton. Okay, again nothing much to say about this cloth. Okay, the thing which I want to say in this is it really hugs your body, it really does, and I as far as I remember, I just paid 200 something for this top. Okay, yeah, that's that, and give you the exact price on the screen. Okay, we have completed the first category, that is the tops. Okay, now we're coming to the dress. Okay, I just got two dresses, yeah, from the Myntra. The first one is my favorite. Can you see this? Can you see this, guys? It's a floral print. Okay, floral print A-line dress. Yeah, this is from the brand Mars and Harbor, and I'm in the size S. Okay, it has a floral print. Yeah, the print is made of blue color and white. Okay, and it has a puff sleeves. Okay, can you see it, guys? It has a puff sleeves. I don't know whether the camera is giving you the right color, but I'm not sure. Is it? Not sure, but that's that. Okay, leave it. And talking about the back side of this particular dress, they have given a jib pattern here. Can you see it? I'll just open it. Yeah. Okay, this jib, you can just pull it till your waist. Okay, so it's very comfortable for us to wear it. Okay, so that's that. And it's a midi length. Okay, it's in the midi length, not that maxi one. Okay, it's in the A-line pattern, and it really hugs your body. I'm saying it all the time because it really does, it really does, so I have to say it, right? And yeah, that's that, and nothing much to say because it's very simple yet beautiful. Okay, this would be a perfect term for this, so you can also check it out. I'll give you the price on the screen and the link in the description box. Okay, next item on the haul is this very beautiful maxi dress. This is from the brand Sassafras. Okay, I'm in the size S. Yeah, I'm in the size small in this. Okay, it's very hard for me. Okay, it's not, see, again the color is different in the camera. I don't know why. It's in the maroon color. Okay, the color is maroon, and it has given a kind of sheer sleeves. Okay, can you see it? Yeah, it is a sheer one, and they have given this elastic pattern. Okay, on both the sides of the sleeves. Yeah, and this is a square neck. Okay, square neck pattern. Okay, the material is a polyester material. Okay, they have also given a lining underneath. Yeah, and they have also given a belt. Okay, which is of the same material, only you can just tie it off, or you just keep it aside, or you just don't tie it. It's up to you when you wear it. Okay, it's a very long maxi dress. Okay, it has such kind of connecting pattern. Okay, one here at the end. Okay, and second here, and third here. Can you see the stitching pattern, right? 1, 2, okay, yeah, and 3. Okay, and lining they have given here is up till the knee or little downside the knee, but not up till the end. Okay, so I'll give you the price on the screen, and you can also check this out. It's a very pretty dress. Okay, the next one is a pant. Okay, we have completed the 2 categories. Now we're coming to the third, that is a pant. Okay, I just got a single pant. Okay, that is, I have all blue, black and everything that is I have in my wardrobe, but the white one which I had got a stain, so I have to order one. So I got this. This is from the brand Tokyo Talkies. Okay, and I'm in the size 20 28. Yeah, I'm the size 28. And you know, this is a proper high-waisted, you know, flared jeans. Okay, yeah, it has a, you know, two pockets in the front and two pockets at the back. Okay, can you see it? Yeah, and they have given a zip pattern here again. Yeah, this. Yes, talking about the material, it's quite good. It's very soft. Okay, you'll not realize, you'll not feel like you have put on jeans, okay, when you wear it. Okay, it's very lightweight, I would say. It's not that heavy one, you know, so that's that. And I really like this kind of jeans, you know, when you wear it, it doesn't feel like very heavy and such kind of things, you know. And that's all. Yeah, okay, I'll give the price on the screen. You just check this out. It's very nice. And the thing which I can assure you is that I have got this in a very affordable price, like around 400 to 500. I'm not sure the exact price. I'll give you the price on the screen. Okay, now we have come to the end of the video. The last item on the haul is this mojaris that I got from Anok. Okay, mojaris, I'm not sure whether I'm pronouncing it right. Okay, but it was written as mojaris. Yeah, mojaris or the jutis. Yeah, and as you can see, this is in the color pink. Okay, and they have, you know, done embroidery work here. Can you see it, guys? Yeah, in the middle of this flower embroidery pattern, okay, they have given golden, which is popping up and, you know, giving it a good and a nice look. Okay, a floral look. Okay, so yeah, this is this. And the sole given here is very, wait, let me just take this out. The sole given here in this particular flat is very soft. You know, when I press it, you can see it that, you know, it's a very plumpy, I'd say. Yeah, very soft. And I'm in the size 37, and I got this for around 999. Yeah, 1000. Yeah, that's all. I hope you like my video. If you do, please do like, share and subscribe to my channel. And you know, please be happy and stay healthy and always be positive. Yeah, thank you. Bye bye.